it's Jennifer here with City Farmhouse Antiques, and I am here. Zep and I are here, and there's Cha-Cha with this week's Find of the Week, and I'm back out in the garden. I have, there's a little turtle that wants something to eat. Been decorating for fall, and I have these gorgeous pieces I wanted to show you. They come in a set of 3, but I think what I'm going to do is separate them out so people can choose to have their own size. So here's your first hint. It's like a fleur-de-lis pattern, and that is the actual shelf. So the cool thing about these pieces is I've got one unwrapped here and decorated up for fall, are these little vintage rustic style rectangular bins. And they're super cute. They're rustic. You can see that they've got some little holes in them in certain areas, but they're rectangular. They've got little handles on the side, so they're meant to look old. And they come in 3 different sizes, and they're on our website as a set. I think what I may do is separate them out into different pieces. But you can use them for firewood by the fireplace. You can use them to decorate for fall, and just use the buckets, the little metal buckets here, rectangular buckets. And I'll take one of these kale out, and these are kale. These are gorgeous for fall decorating. They come in purple and green. They come in white and green, and here in the Southwest we can leave them out all year long, and they will last, along with our pansies and our snapdragons and things like that. But here you can see what it looks like inside. I just put something in there to hold up my kale, just to show you how pretty they are. I'll have the dimensions and everything on the site, but I know you want to see it hanging too. So I have the cutest thing to show you. I just had my chicken coop done, and I thought they would be the most adorable addition to my coop. So you can even hang these, and this is the hanging, what they look like hanging. You see how cute those little fleur-de-lis scrolled hangers are? And so you set your bucket, your metal bucket, right down in on top of these, and it's as easy as screwing them right into the wall inside, or like I put these outside. You can see how rustic they look, but aren't they adorable? I don't have anything in this one yet because I just got my coop and just got the girls situated, but you can see how adorable those really are. So again, they come in 3 sizes. They're on the website. You can use them from anything for decorating for fall, decorating for Christmas. You could put foliage in them for Christmas and put them on with pine cones and on the ground or under the tree. Hang them on the wall. You can use them as shelves. You can even turn over these buckets, and because the bottom is sealed, you can use them as shelves. And again, they come graduated because they're in 3 different sizes. So I just love them. I think the perfect spot, of course, is on my chicken coop, but I also think they'd be cute in front of the fire with firewood. So anyway, be sure and check out all of our really neat vintage finds on our website and at www.cityfarmhouseantiques.com, where we have more than just antiques. And be sure and go give us a like on our Facebook page.